everyone, welcome to Fun Math Practice Day 2. I'm Ashley, very nice to meet you. Many of you haven't met me, so I'm the teacher who's sending the practice to the group chat every day. Also, give you feedback to your homework. Okay, so nice to meet you. I'm looking forward to see you more in the future. Okay. So in day 2, we still have 2 interesting questions. Let's see. The first one, Maya, the bee, was gathering pollen from all of the flowers. From which flowers? The flower that lie inside the rectangle. We should remember to circle out the important information while we read the question, okay? So the important information is lie inside the rectangle, but outside the triangle, okay? Outside the triangle. So we want to know from how many flowers did she collect pollen? Inside the rectangle. Where is a rectangle? Yeah, the green one is a rectangle. So we need to contain all the flowers inside this rectangle. How many flowers are inside the rectangle? Let's count together. But we cannot just count all the time all together. Yeah, we need to count in order from row to row or column to column. Okay, from row to row or column to column. Okay, so how many flowers are inside the rectangle? Let's look at them row by row. 1. After we count a flower, we need to leave a mark to make sure we have no missing and no repeating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, there are 20 flowers inside the rectangle. No matter the size, there are big ones like this and red ones like this, also blue ones like this. But if they are in a rectangle, yeah, they are the flowers in the rectangle. But we have also want the flowers outside the triangle, okay? Outside the triangle. So which part is inside the triangle? I'm going to use a pen. This part. They both inside the triangle. So we want the flowers outside the triangle. So outside the triangle is this part. And this part. Okay, so let's see. How many flowers are inside the rectangle but outside the triangle? Does this flower count? No. No, because it's not inside the rectangle. Does this flower count? No, because even if it's outside the triangle, it's not inside the rectangle. Let's see. How many flowers are outside the rectangle but inside the triangle? Before we do that, we need to count how many flowers are inside the triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so 11 flowers are inside the triangle. So we need to minus this 11 from the rectangle to get 9 flowers inside the triangle, but outside the rectangle. So it should be 9, we choose A. Or we have another easier method. What is another easier method? Let's look at it together. Okay. We want the flowers inside the rectangle, but outside the triangle. So we only need to use our pen to paint this part. Okay, so this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. The green one is a rectangle. And this is a blue one. Is a triangle. So we need to exclude this part. We need to exclude this part from the rectangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 red flowers plus 1, 2, 3. 3 blue flowers. So still 9 flowers. Okay, that's for the first question. Let's look at the next one. Which part is cut from the grid on the left? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 shapes in the grid. We want to know which parts are cut. So if they are cut from the grid, they have to be close to each other. So we have to find this part in the grid. Okay, let's look at the options one by one. A triangle and a square. Let's see. Oh, yeah, this is a triangle, so it is possible. But let's look at horizontally. No, it's a circle. Vertically, no, there are two triangles. Okay, let's move on to another triangle. This is another triangle. From horizontally, no, it's with a star. From vertically, a triangle, and also vertically a diamond. No. Still no for option A. There are no more triangles, so no option A, because there is no square next to, there's no square next to the what? The triangle. Okay, there's no square next to the triangle. So let's make a mark for A, because A is not correct. So we put a big X on A. That means bye bye A. We don't want to choose you. How about B? Oh, a triangle like this is upside down. It's possible because if we turn upside down, we can also look at this grid upside down like this. Okay, so if the triangle is like this, no, I don't think so. Even if it's with a circle, the circles is left, the triangle is the circle is right, the triangle is left. But if it's turned upside down, if the triangle is turned upside down, it will be like in the right, and the circle will be at the left. So still not for B. And for C, a star, okay, with a triangle pointing at the left. Not up, not right, not down. Yeah, it is a triangle from the left, but no. The pointy end is at the top. So still not for C. How about D? A star and a diamond. No. Up, down, left, right. Not with the diamond. It's diagonal, but it cannot cut from the grid with squares outside it. Okay. How about D? A star with a diamond. Yeah, D. No. Yeah, the only possible option is E. So before we choose E, let's observe if we can actually find this part in the grid. A square and a circle. Yeah, this is a square, this is a circle. Successfully, it's on the right down corner of this grid. So yeah, let's choose E. Okay, it's very easy. 2 questions. If you haven't submitted your answer in the group chat, please do. If you have already submitted the answer in the group chat, looking forward to the questions next day. Bye.